the tutorial on how to download the Mozilla Firefox application, especially for your laptops and your computer. We're sure that 100% of those of you who frequently surf on the internet will be familiar when they hear the name of Mozilla Firefox. Mozilla Firefox is one of the many best browser applications for computers or laptops. So the tutorial on how to download the Mozilla Firefox application. Okay, you can see on your screen there's link about download Mozilla Firefox. So just type this link on your laptop or computer, www.mozilla.org/it/firefox/all, and then copy and just paste on your browser. So you will be delivered into the Mozilla Firefox download page, and also you need to make suitable about your operating system in your laptop. So you can see over this there are many versions about Firefox to install on your laptops. There is Windows 64-bit, Windows 32-bit, and Linux 64-bit, and many more. So you have to download and install based on your laptops or computer about the operating system, and then you select the language. For example, we will choose English language, and then after this, after you select the language, you need to download now. Okay, or on Indonesian it's called unduh sekarang. Okay, just waiting a moment. The automatically process download is still going on. You just need to wait about these files to be completed to download. It's automatic to download when you click download now. Okay, just still waiting. Okay, finish. And then I want to try to download the versions of Windows 32-bit for our Mozilla Firefox installer. Then click download now. Okay, automatically this will appear on your download files. It's about Firefox laptop 32-bit. So I think that later you need to rename about this to make a difference about 64-bit with 32-bit. Okay, the process download is still running. Okay, finished. And I want to download again for the versions of Linux 64-bit, and then click download now or undo. Okay, like on previous steps, this automatically will be downloaded to go to your laptop or computer. Okay, waiting some moment, just a second. Let's go until it's finished. Okay, just a moment please. And the process is complete. The download process is complete, and all of the files are successfully downloaded. And then we need to look for all of the files on our laptops or computers on the downloads files, and then we will see all of the files, and then we need to block all of the files to Firefox, because we need to make or create a folder. And then I want to create a folder on my data D, and then I want to give a name Mozilla Firefox and enter, and I want to paste all of the files here. Okay, right click and then paste. After you copy all of the files, okay, so it becomes a folder on Mozilla Firefox on .tat. And after this, we need to try to install based on my computer operating system with 64-bit. So okay, as I said before, I think that we need to make a rename to make a difference between 64-bit and 32-bit. Okay, so in the middle is 64-bit, and we try to right click and then open file, because my laptop use 64-bit operating system, so I need to install this version. Just waiting. Okay, it will appear percentage of extracting, and we are waiting until 100% of extracting, and then click next and next again. Oops, I think there's a problem. Firefox must be closed to proceed with the installation. Oh, sorry, I think that I still have Mozilla Firefox on my computer. I think we need to uninstall the previous versions to make an up-to-date version of Mozilla Firefox. So if we need to update to the newest versions of Mozilla Firefox, so I think firstly we need to uninstall it, the Firefox from my computer. Okay, I need to close this process of installation. Okay, we want to uninstall it first. We enter to control panel. Okay, we go to control panel and then choose uninstall program, and we need to look for Mozilla Firefox file and then uninstall. Okay, just click next and click OK, and the process of uninstall about Mozilla Firefox is automatically going on. And click delete. Okay, it's deleting the installation of application, and then finish. Okay, I think that the application is successfully uninstalled. Okay, we go back again to installer of Mozilla Firefox and then click Firefox setup for 64-bit version, and we are waiting until 100% extraction. Okay, finish, and the installer will appear. Click next, click next again, and then click install, and we need to wait until the installing process is complete. Okay, just waiting, it's still going on. Little housekeeping, and okay, click finish. Okay, I think the process of installation for our Mozilla Firefox is complete. So just waiting. I want to give you an example to open the Mozilla Firefox application. Okay, to check about the versions of Firefox that we install, just click we need to click about the about of Firefox browser. Okay, 64-bit versions, it's same versions of the operating system from my computer, 64-bit. Okay, 107 64-bit versions. So if we talk about the functions of Mozilla Firefox, I think that the base function of Mozilla Firefox is the same with the browser applications like Google Chrome and Internet Explorer and everything. So we need to install it to access or to surf on the internet and then access some information from Mozilla Firefox or another browsers. Okay, that's all to download and install Mozilla Firefox, especially on Windows 10, and hopefully this might be useful for you. and see you on the next video. Bye bye.